here I'm draining my oil at the 8-hour interval. I shouldn't say interval, I should say 8-hour start. And this thing has been dripping, ooh, good 15 minutes anyway. And I've got the mower at a slight angle. You got that? Yeah, I got the mower at a slight angle. This is my new zero turn. And it told me to change the oil at 8 hours. I think I got 7. So I changed the oil. And that thing is still dripping after 15 minutes. Anyway, 15 minutes. And there's only 2 things bad about this. You have to pull it off of the edge over here onto its hoses hooked up. And then as you, I shouldn't do this, but oh, put my finger right on the end of the tuber. I did. And I could pull it up, stop it from dripping, but this is the cover. This is the cover. Here we go. This is the cover that goes over this to shut it, to close it. And it's just a twist-on cap. Probably has some kind of vent on it. But the thing of it is where's the drain? Hang on. If I let go of the cap, where's the drain? Drain's right on the cap. Yeah, turn it over. I guess you guys in the office can do that. I don't have a clue what you guys do in the office anymore. I think you're all bums. You use your head instead of your hands. You don't know how to do shit. Well, I shouldn't say that. I probably lost 40 viewers. So anyway, I gotta clip it on here. Clip it on there. That hose is part of the system, I guess. And yeah, I tilted it a little bit so that hopefully I got what I need to get. You think that's a quart? Is this video close or what? Yeah, that looks like at least a quart. At least a quart. Get any of that? That's what I do is I just pour it in there. I hope I got the quart. Full one. Ooh, 2 full ones. I'm in. Oh, I'm in. Oh, I'm in. I like that. You know what I don't have with me? A rag. I got my Tooms. I don't have a rag. I know there is one. There is one in my pocketbook on my other tractor. I gotta go back there anyway. I know there's one on the shelf too, but... So anyway, I'm draining the oil. I blew the machine down because it's very... how can I say? A lot of the stuff that I was working on last week was very windy. And I got a lot of stuff on top of my deck. Oh, excuse me. And, what the heck did I want to come here for? Come on, Gary, think. Bag. Took me a minute, or 2, or 3. Yeah, it's a junk one and stuff together. Yeah, I came on using epoxy for there we go, for some reason or another, for something, but this is just an oil rag, so I don't care. Oh, look at this. This fucking guy. I don't know who lives here, but he's got to do his lawn. What a mess. He did clean up that pile of wood over there, just sitting there for a year. A big pile of just wood that I didn't want to take over here. So I ended up putting it on the ground, leaving it there for a year, cutting around it, and throwing it over here anyway. That's me. So I got a rag because I guess. All right, let's see if we can get this. We're putting oil in this thing right now, so. And what we're going to have to do is, because it took about 15 minutes for that thing to drain, I think this pipe here is going to take me about at least 5 or so to get it between the dots. Oh yeah, it was way above the dots when I brought it out here. Well, spider. So, which one's open? Neither one. Yeah, there you go, Gally. So we're going to do about a half. Did I drip already on the housing? You idiot. Yeah, that's me. But to you guys, please, I'm Mr. Idiot. Yeah, oh, that's about half. Wow. Nice. Did you guys see this? See that line on the side? That says I was about 16 ounces. And this is 32 ounces. It says I'll put in about half. Jesus, I couldn't get any better than that, Mr. Holden. But I was going to check it and I didn't. But that was a lot. I bet there's another half that goes in here because I think that's what it is. Oh, see, and this is a 22 horse. 3 horses larger than my tractor. Damn spiders. You're going to stop me from mowing? Come on. They didn't drip yet, but you know what I should be doing? Making sure that if I did, it fell on that rag. Okay, there's a quart. Let's check it, baby. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit. Yeah, we're going to let it sit. Is that right? Do I? Okay. Let me see, what else I got to do? I got to cut this on. Alright, let's check it. See what we got here. No, nothing yet. But that didn't go in that far to make a big change on what that would read. But let's check it right now. Yep, another half. Bow. You guys ain't listening to this stuff that I am, are ya? Bastard. Yeah. Prism. Prism. Primus. Shouldn't be another quart. So I'm going to just put in a half. And this is not, I didn't do a half. No, I did a 3/4. Let's put in a 3/4. Okay, let's check that. No, still not. Okay, well, let's go to half. Yeah, let's go to half. Because I didn't read the frickin' book, man. What are you, crazy? I mean, I read the book, but I had forgotten by now what I was supposed to do. So I'm just going to give it another half for now. And I'm going to check it in a minute. They wanted to lay down by me. Oh, say, baby. Nice mower. Dusty, dirty. Not the mower, but the neighborhood that I do has got a lot of crap old dirt, grass areas. And I'm not going to wash it down. I'm just going to wipe it for now. I don't like that part of it, though. Yeah, whatever. I'll take that with the rest of the tractor. Ooh, I gotta fill it, too, before I do. Because Sharon's up, so I can do our lawn. I know, I don't really need to do this. I'm just doing it. Just 'cause. Yeah, it's plastic, so it's always going to be like this. Maybe a little less shiny, but it's just plastic. But I got to keep this clean, though. I will go along with that. Oh, I had my knife. Now I can't find it. Oh, I don't care for that. Oh, I don't care for that. Oh, look at that. That's all full of stuff. Oh, can you see it? Right in here. It's all full of needles and pine needles and debris. Oh, I don't care for that at all. Maybe a little bit back here, too. I wonder what's on the other side. Wow, kind of the same thing. You guys can't really see it because there's a shine right here. How's that? But yeah, I don't care for that. I'd rather have that sealed. I may seal that someday, too. Look at that. Somebody bought this frickin' thing. I stole the damn character. Where they went in? Come on. I just had my knife in my pocket. Don't make sure you guys telling me there it is right there. Ooh. Hang on, I'm trying to open this knife. Oh, there's no hole, edge to catch your finger on to open it up. You just have to open it. Put this on the wall as a memento. Yeah. I don't know why. It only goes upside down. Let's do that. Sure, I'll be upside down. Doesn't bother me any. Nothing bothers me, man. Except waking up in some sleazy hotel. Oh, I should block that out. How's that? I don't want you guys to see the name on that. Metal. Let's check our... Let's check our Earl here. So anyway, I don't like that. And I'm going to check my Earl. It's a nice clean stick. You guys see any of what I'm taking video of? Any of you? Nope. A little bit more. Oh, I did drizzle on them. Son of a bitch. Where? I can't see anything. Can you guys see where I might have drizzled that oil on there? I know I saw something come out. Come on, don't give me shit now. Well put together, I must say. I don't care for that, though. Whatever. Yeah, I can't find that drip, so I'm going to put this down and I'm going to put it in the other half of this quart. You guys okay with that? What'd you say? Gary, we can't see a thing anyway because you got that camera right into the sun. My word. How can anybody be a decent cameraman and even do that to some people? Me? I got tunes, man. I got skills. This is a 22 horse versus a 19 horse that I have in my tractor. Like I just said, I think. So, with the readings that I got on the stick, which were, I put in a quart and it was halfway. I put in another half and it was a quarter of the way till it gets to full. So I put the other half in 2 quarts. Gotta look at my blades too. See how I'm doing with those. I know they're dull by now, but at the same time. On the button. On the button. Yep, 2 quarts. 2 quarts eye test, please. Yeah, you gotta have certain stuff. I buy my oil at John Deere because they tell me to. You know, we're John Deere company. We need you to buy our oil. Oh, I went to Husqvarna and bought my snowblower. Yeah, they've changed 2 or 3 different buildings throughout the time I've known them in the area. But so I bought it, and they tried to sell me their own gasoline. I think it was 5 gallons for $50, something like that. Not really an outrageous price, but well, I wouldn't check it. It's no different than another one. So why would I care? Uh-oh, I'm gonna take this rag with me. My video stopped. But before I check this rag, I'm gonna go check my throat. I was meant to do that. Before I do that, I'm gonna check my tools. I'm not getting any. Get them at the end. Yeah, got a couple songs, 10, 20 that have silence at the end of them when I or somebody recorded them. They took something off because I just came from a recording to me recording. And, alright, let's check this again. Yep, that's good. Let's gas it up and throw this in here. Too deep in the night, too steep. I'm in a head. Instead of going under again. Walking out of my mind. I don't know. I just thought it might be a leaf stuck on there, and it was a yep. No place for a hitch. Oh boy, would I like to put a Cyclostick sticker on this, but I don't have any. I don't, really, I don't. I know you guys are kind of pissed off at me now because I don't have a Cyclostick sticker to put on my new tractor. Well, I apologize. Yep, I used them all on the other one. Oh, I'm going to take this. Yeah, I'm going to take this. You see any of that? Me, I'm in too deep. Oh, why did I do that? Okay. Oh, hang on a minute. Just going to brush that up to the side and I'll take care of that. What the heck did I do? Okay. Alright. I'm all messed up right here for a sec. Well, the whole video, I know, but right now anyway. I still got metal though.